Did you know that something as small as a chia seed could be the reason you're bloated, tired, or not seeing the results you expect from your so-called healthy habits? Millions of people are consuming chia seeds every day. Smoothies, puddings, water infusions. Social media influencers can't get enough of them. And don't get us wrong, chia seeds are a legitimate superfood. But there's a dark side to these little seeds that no one talks about. Not because it's some massive secret, but because most people simply don't know. Today, we're exposing the 7 most common and dangerous chia seed mistakes you're probably making right now. Each one could be silently working against your health goals. Stick around until mistake number 7. Even seasoned health pros mess this one up, and it might just change how you approach every superfood going forward. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Eating chia seeds dry. Imagine swallowing a sponge that grows to 10 times its size after it hits your throat. That's what can happen when you eat dry chia seeds. In 2014, a man was hospitalized after eating a tablespoon of dry chia and chasing it with water. It expanded mid-swallow and got stuck in his esophagus. Doctors had to surgically remove the sticky mass. Chia seeds absorb 10–12 of their weight in liquid. That's what makes them so good for hydration and digestion, but only if you prepare them properly. When you eat them dry, they start absorbing fluids from your throat, stomach, and intestines. This can cause choking, constipation, or serious digestive distress. The fix: always soak your chia seeds for at least 15–30 minutes before eating. 1 tablespoon in half a cup of water creates a perfect gel. Add to smoothies, puddings, or drink as is. You wouldn't eat dry rice or uncooked oats. Don't do it with chia. Mistake number 2, pairing chia seeds with sugary drinks. Chia Fresca has exploded on TikTok and Instagram. Chia seeds stirred into bright juices and sweet drinks. It looks cool. It's easy. It's delicious. But it could also be wrecking your blood sugar. Chia is high in soluble fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption. But when you dump it into orange juice, sweet teas, or agave syrup lemonades, the sugar spike cancels out the fiber's benefits. That means energy crashes, insulin spikes, and weight gain. Not the detox drink you were hoping for. The fix: use low-sugar liquids like water with lemon or lime, coconut water, or herbal teas. Add mint, cucumber, or berries for flavor. You still get the hydration and fiber without the sugar bomb. Mistake number 3. Using them as a protein substitute. You see it all the time. Add chia seeds for a protein boost. While chia does contain some protein, about 4 or 5 grams per 2 tablespoons, it's nowhere near what your body needs for muscle repair, hormone function, or metabolism. People often assume that just because chia has protein, it must be enough to serve as a post-workout or meal replacement source. But your body requires a variety of amino acids in higher amounts to truly rebuild and recover. It's also not a complete protein unless combined with other sources like legumes, nuts, or dairy. Relying on chia seeds alone for protein could leave your diet lacking in essential muscle-building components. This can slow down recovery time, reduce energy levels, and undermine your health goals over time. The fix: use chia as a fiber and omega-3 booster, not a protein replacement. Pair it with Greek yogurt, nuts, or a scoop of protein powder to round out the macros. Adding chia to a smoothie with whey protein or to oatmeal with nut butter creates a more complete meal. Don't count on chia alone to fuel your gains. Use it to enhance the foods that truly feed your body. Mistake number 4. ignoring oxalates and gut impact. Chia seeds are high in oxalates, natural compounds that can interfere with calcium absorption and may increase kidney stone risk for sensitive individuals. Oxalates bind with minerals like calcium, forming crystals that the body can't absorb or eliminate easily. If you have a history of kidney stones or consume other high oxalate foods like spinach, almonds, or beets, be especially cautious. Excess oxalates can quietly build up over time and contribute to long-term health complications. Some people may even experience digestive discomfort or reduced mineral uptake without realizing chia seeds are playing a role. It's important to look at your entire diet and not rely solely on one food, even if it's considered superfood. The fix: do not overdo it. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day and rotate with other seeds like flax or hemp to reduce oxalate load. Soaking chia can also reduce oxalate content slightly and improve digestibility. You can also combine chia with low oxalate ingredients and calcium-rich foods to balance out the effect. Consider adding lemon juice to your chia recipes. The citrate may help prevent kidney stone formation and improve mineral absorption. Mistake number 5, skipping water when consuming chia. Remember how chia absorbs up to 12 times its weight in water? If you eat it without drinking enough water, it'll draw moisture from your guts. That can lead to dehydration, bloating, constipation, and stomach cramps, things most people blame on something else entirely. Your digestive system needs enough liquid to keep chia moving smoothly through the intestines. Otherwise, those hydrated seeds can clump together and create a blockage that causes serious discomfort. You may even feel sluggish or dizzy from dehydration if you consistently underhydrate while consuming fiber-rich foods like chia. This isn't just about comfort. Hydration plays a role in nutrient absorption, energy levels, and gut health. Water acts as chia's partner, helping it form that famous gel-like consistency that supports digestion. The fix: always drink an extra glass of water for every tablespoon of chia you consume. Think of chia as a sponge. If you don't give it water, it'll take yours, and you'll feel the difference quickly. Making water a priority alongside your chia intake ensures that you unlock the full benefits of this tiny superfood without the painful side effects. Hydration is the silent key that turns chia into a tool for wellness, not discomfort. Mistake number 6, storing chia seeds improperly. You bought a jumbo bag of chia seeds from Costco 2 years ago, and it's still half full. It might seem harmless, but that neglected bag could be quietly sabotaging your health. Chia seeds contain delicate omega-3 fats that begin to degrade the moment they're exposed to air, heat, and light. These fats are extremely sensitive, and over time they oxidize, meaning they go rancid without you even noticing. Rancid fats lose their powerful anti-inflammatory effects and may actually promote inflammation in your body. Even worse, they can contribute to free radical damage, which accelerates aging and increases disease risk. If you've ever noticed a strange smell or bitter aftertaste from your chia, you may already be consuming spoiled seeds. Don't wait for them to look bad. By then, they've already lost most of their nutritional value. The fix: store chia seeds in a cool, dark place and seal them tightly in an airtight container. For long-term storage, keep them in the refrigerator or freezer to preserve their omega-3 potency. And if you're not using them regularly, opt for smaller bags, so you're always using chia at its peak freshness. Mistake number 7, thinking chia seeds are a magic bullet. Somewhere along the line, chia seeds went from superfood to miracle cure. Weight loss? Add chia seeds. Hormone balance? Add chia. Digestive issues? Add chia seed. Brain fog? Add chia seeds. Trouble sleeping? Add chia seed. But the truth is, while chia seeds can support all of those goals, they don't replace the fundamentals. They won't cancel out a junk food diet, chronic stress, lack of exercise, or a 4-hour sleep schedule. The fix: use chia seeds as part of a healthy lifestyle, not in place of one. Pair them with real food, whole veggies, hydration, and rest. They're powerful, yes, but they're not magic. They work best when you do. So let's review. Don't eat chia seeds dry, soak them. Avoid sugary juices. Stick to clean liquids. Don't treat chia as a protein source. Be mindful of oxalates if you're prone to kidney stones. Hydrate. Always drink water with the chia. Store chia properly to protect their nutrients. Don't expect chia to replace healthy habits. It should support them. Which mistake were you making? Drop the number in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more health myth-busting, and share it with someone who needs to stop choking on dry seeds. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing it smarter. See you in the next video.